Operation Guide for the Smart Cat Litter Box. Product placement. Place the litter box on a hard and flat ground to ensure that all 4 feet can stably contact the ground. Ensure that sufficient space is reserved for the litter box. Height greater than or equal to 70 centimeters. Depth greater than or equal to 80 centimeters. Do not place objects within 30 centimeters in front of the litter box to avoid triggering infrared. If a cat litter mat is used, the height should not be higher than 3 centimeters. Please check whether the garbage bag is installed before use. If not, please refer to the guide for correct installation. Power on and self-test. Please use the original adapter to power the litter box. Do not lift or move the litter box when it is powered on. After the self-test is completed, the auto lamp is on, the litter box enters the auto cleaning mode. Connect the app. Make sure the mobile phone is connecting 2.4G network. Open the Tuya app. Click Settings in the upper right corner, select Privacy Setting. Make sure that location and Bluetooth are open. Press Auto for 2 seconds, and the Wi-Fi light flashes. Return to the home page, click Add Device, and add device according to the prompts. Connection succeeded, and the Wi-Fi lamp is on. Add cat litter. Add proper amount of cat litter from the entrance hole of the barrel. It is recommended that the amount of litter added should not exceed the max line. In daily use, please add litter once it's below the min line. After adding cat litter each time, press Remove Odor for 2 seconds to level the cat litter, and then carry out the other operations. Install or replace garbage bags. Press Clean for 2 seconds to adjust the litter box to the bag changing angle. Open the waste bin. Take away the garbage bag. Align the drawstring opening of the garbage bag with the tie pile, and the lower edge of the bag opening is clamped under the positioning clip. Wrap the garbage bag mouth around the door frame of the flip cover of the waste bin and pull out the drawcord. Press the drawstring into the tie pile, tighten and wind it. Confirm that the mouth of the garbage bag is fastened. Arrange the back of the garbage bag to prevent it from being caught by the cover of the waste bin. Close the waste bin and confirm that the buckle is fastened. Replacing litter. It is recommended to change the litter after the litter is lower than the min line. Please replace the garbage bag with a new one before emptying the remaining cat litter. Press Replace Litter for 2 seconds. The lamp of Replace Litter flashes and the litter change starts. When there is enough space in the garbage bag, you can replace the litter again and collect the remaining litter. After litter change, take away the garbage bag. Cleaning and installation. Power off and open the buckle of barrel. There are electrical components in the base. It is forbidden to wash with water. The base can be wiped with a wet rag. The barrel can be washed with water. Remove the yellow rubber plug and clean the barrel. Dry the barrel and install the yellow rubber plug. When installing the barrel, the rotating shaft of the barrel shall be placed in the fixed slot. Close the buckle and confirm the waste bin is closed well. Power on the litter box. The self-test is completed. The lamp of auto is on. Before use, please refer to the guide to correctly install garbage bags and add cat litter.